Hi everyone, I'm Ofri from Ment.io, and today I'm going to show you how to add a discussion to your Ment.io team. First, go to the relevant Ment.io team. Next, click on the plus new discussion button, which will open a pop-up window inviting you to ask a question. When phrasing the question, we recommend asking short and clear questions that end with a question mark, which will invite compelling and diverse answers, so the students will want to argue for and against them. For example, what are the best parameters to measure success in an advertising campaign? The background box is where you can add information regarding the question or add a link to an article you want the students to reference when taking part in the discussion. If you don't have any specific information to attach, we suggest adding general guidelines like read the existing discussion before offering an answer of your own, or comments are as valuable as answers. Here are some additional features that are important to know.
For those who are interested, it is possible to add LaTeX by following the instructions displayed when placing the cursor on the function icon. Clicking on the button next to it opens a text box which allows you to add code snippets. By clicking on the Add Attachment button, you can add a file such as a PDF, JPEG, and more.
The Members button shows the list of existing team members. They will receive a notification about this new discussion once it's published. You can choose to only send a notification to just some of the members, or to not send any notification by clicking on the Clear All button. When using anonymous mode, you can post the question as an anonymous user or enable the students to post their answers and comments anonymously. While using this feature, the option to post anonymously is provided, but the default is always that the users are answering as themselves.
By clicking on the Due Date button, you can set a date on which the discussion will be marked as overdue. This will happen at midnight, on the chosen date in the time zone in which the discussion was posted. This does not lock the discussion to further participation. The Tags feature allows you to tag your discussions by topic, module, group, and so on, so that you can distinguish between the different discussions more easily. When clicking on the Additional Settings button, you can choose whether you want to require each participant to provide their own answer before they can see what others have posted. This is more appropriate for an assignment rather than an organic discussion. Lastly, clicking on the Save as Draft button enables you to phrase your discussion questions and post them when you're ready at the time of your choosing. You can find all of your draft discussions in the Draft section, which is available in the menu of the team's home page. After phrasing the question, adding the background, and deciding whether to use the additional features, click on the Post button to save and publish your new discussion. Now your team members just need to log into your Ment.io team, click on the discussion, and join in. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to support@ment.io. Thank you for watching.